Hello, custom ROM enthusiasts. Today I've brought you something special, a custom ROM that serves as the foundation for virtually all other custom ROMs out there, the AOSP. This is a GSI custom ROM, which means you can install it on practically any device. And the best part, it's based on the latest Android 16 version. Now, even though it's a GSI ROM, don't let that fool you. It comes packed with all the essential Android system features, including Qualcomm-specific features that are crucial for fixing hardware compatibility issues on non-stock ROMs. You'll find key settings like enabling Use System-Wide BTHAL to resolve Bluetooth audio and call issues, adjusting display and fingerprint quirks, and managing VoLTE and IMS configurations. Plus, it includes some really nice customization options similar to what you'd find on Google Pixel devices. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the installation process. For installation, as always, we'll need to enable developer options on our phone. So, head over to your phone's main settings and then navigate into About Phone. Inside About Phone, let me first verify that my phone is currently running Evolution X, which is based on Android 16. Now, back to the main point, you'll need to look for an option called Build Number. Once you locate it, tap on it 7 times consecutively. This will unlock the developer options on your device. Once that's done, navigate back to System Settings. Inside System Settings, you'll find a new option called Developer Options. Simply click on it, and you'll gain access to the developer settings of your phone. Now, here's something absolutely critical. For installing custom ROMs and rooting your phone, having an unlocked bootloader is absolutely essential. So, make sure your phone's bootloader is already unlocked. If it's not, I've uploaded detailed tutorials for each brand, so definitely go ahead and watch those first before proceeding. After confirming that, scroll down and toggle on USB debugging. This allows your phone to communicate directly with your computer system. And with that, the first part of our installation is complete. Now let's move on to the second step. For this next step, you'll need an application called Treble Info to help you download the correct GSI ROM for your device. Download and install it. After installing the app, open it up, and if you see the message, Generic System Image Found, you're good to proceed. Now, tap on the Browse Image button, which will direct you to the official GSI ROM GitHub repository. On this repository, you'll see a wide variety of GSI ROMs available, so you can absolutely go with whichever one suits your preferences. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to install AOSP, so I'll be downloading this one. Now, I know this appears to be the Android 15 section at first glance, but as you can clearly see, the latest Android 16 ROMs are actually available right here. So scroll down and click on the Assets drop-down button, and the ROM files will start appearing. Click on whichever version you prefer, but I highly recommend going with the GApps version for the best experience. Once the ROM file has finished downloading, transfer it to your computer system. If you don't have access to a PC, go check out my recent video where I demonstrate how to flash a custom ROM without a PC. Now, press and hold the power button and restart your phone directly into fast boot mode. For the next step, let's switch over to the PC screen. Open any browser you prefer and search for Android Platform Tools. Click on the official Android developers website and download the platform tools package exactly as I'm showing you here. Next, you'll need to search for and download the stock firmware for your specific phone model. This is important because sometimes the installation requires a VB meta file, which is typically located inside the firmware package. Once all the required files have finished downloading, place them all in a single folder for easier access and organization. Then, extract all of them one by one. After extraction is complete, go inside the firmware's extracted folder and locate the VBMETA file. Copy it and paste it in a safe, easily accessible location. After that, open up the Platform Tools folder. Now, click on the address bar at the top and type CMD, then press Enter. This will open a command prompt window directly in this folder. When these preparatory steps are complete, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. To verify the connection is working properly, type Fast Boot Devices in the command prompt and press Enter. If you see your device's serial number appear, that means your phone is connected successfully. After confirming the connection, type Fastboot Reboot Fastboot and hit Enter. This command will boot your phone into fast boot mode, which is necessary for the next steps. Inside fast boot mode, type the following command in the prompt: fastboot delete logical partition product _A and press Enter. Then type fastboot flash system followed by a space and drag and drop the extracted ROM file into the command prompt window. Now, the system flashing process will begin. This may take several minutes depending on your device and ROM size, so be patient and wait for it to complete. When the flashing process is finished, type Fastboot Reboot and press Enter. After this, your device may prompt you for a factory reset. This is absolutely necessary for the ROM to function properly, so make sure to reset it when prompted. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset while still in fast boot mode by using the command fastboot erase user data. After completing the factory reset, your phone will boot up into the AOSP GSI Android 16 ROM. Keep in mind that the first boot takes considerably longer than usual, so this is a great time to grab a cup of coffee and relax. Once the boot up is complete, set up your phone just as you would set up any new device. If you encounter any errors or issues during the process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot them. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more premium content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.